Hello everyone, this is Camille Pronovost with DR Horton Homes. Would like to give you a quick tour of our newest model, the Hayden at Riverstone Master Plan Community in Lakeland, Florida. This is 2-story, 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,600 square feet. Since it's the model, the office area would be a 2-car garage. So this is a lovely community. We're just starting in here. There will be an amenity center. There'll be a beautiful pool, there'll be a cabana, there'll be playgrounds, jungle gym, dog park. All should be done in the next several months or so. So we just opened this model last week, as a matter of fact. So we're still waiting on a couple things, finishing touches, but it's different from some of our other decorations, and I think you're gonna really like it. So this elevation is elevation H with a big front porch, which I love. Video doorbell. Keyless entry. Welcome home. So as we come in the front door, we have a beautiful archway. But this is actually a flex room. We have it set up as a formal dining room, but it could be anything you would like it to be. And then all open concept for the living space. Now there is one bedroom downstairs. We are waiting on appliances. It will have Whirlpool stainless steel appliances with it. So these cabinets are espresso. This granite is Bianco Sardo, just nice and neutral. And then a light gray tile. Isn't that pretty? And then we have our living space. And this does have one bedroom on the main living area. This is not the master bedroom. That's the door to the office. That would actually be the door to the garage in a completed home. So here's bedroom number 1. Okay, so anybody that doesn't want to negotiate stairs, you've got a good spot. Nice closet. This would be a full bathroom in a completed home, but this is a handicap access model because this is a sales center. But there would be a tub with a shower surround in a finished home, and then what I always call the Harry Potter closet, little closet underneath the stairwell. So again, all open concept with one bedroom on the lower level. So let's go upstairs. Again, 2,600 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. So we've seen 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. So at the top of the stairs, we have the owner's suite. This is 13 by 20. Lots of natural light. This is looking out the front of the home. And look how much space you have for your furniture. I'm going to back myself into the corner here so you can see with a king-size bed. Plenty of room for nightstands. Room for another dresser or a couple of chairs there. And then right off is the ensuite. So toilet in a room by itself. Big oversized double shower, double vanity. Gotta have it. And then 2 walk-in closets. This would be the larger of the 2. City Furniture is our supplier that decorates our models, and we have some special incentives from them for our home buyers. And then walk-in closet number 2. Little window looking out front. All right, let's go see the rest of the upstairs. So right outside the owner's suite is another loft area, laundry room, all plumbed and prepped for your washer and dryer. This is our happy place. I'm not sure that belongs in the laundry room, but whatever. Okay, we have this set up as an office, but it is a bedroom. So that would be bedroom number 3. And I love this loft area. So this could be a play area for the younger ones. It could be a TV media room if you have teenagers. It does have a closet because you can never have too much storage, right? And then again, big double windows, which just gives it lots of natural light. All right, so we've seen 3 bedrooms, so let's head out to bedroom number 4. And then we have the shared bathroom. Now, what I really love is here's your double vanity, and then you have a privacy door separating the tub, shower, and the toilet from the sinks. So this is great if you've got a family. Prevents a lot of fights, I think. Somebody could be brushing their teeth while somebody's taking a shower. linen closet, door to the mechanical room, and then another linen closet, and then bedroom number 5. And nice size closet in here too. So this is the Hayden, 2,600 square feet. We build this in just about every D.R. Horton community in Polk County, Florida. I'm Camille. Please give me a call if you would like more information about this home or any other D.R. Horton home in the Lakeland area, 860-463-0875. Have a great day.